In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Excel default save location so your files save to your computer instead of OneDrive. Let's get started right inside Excel. Go ahead and open Excel on your computer. You can open either a blank workbook or any existing file. It doesn't really matter because we're only going to work with the settings. Once Excel is open, look towards the very top left corner of the window and click on File. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you see options like New, Open, Save, and so on. On the left-hand side of this screen, near the bottom, you'll see an option called Options. Click on that. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where we can control most of Excel's behavior. In the Excel Options window, look for the section called Save on the left-hand list and select it. This is where all the saving-related settings live. You should now see a group of settings about how workbooks are saved by default. First, find the checkbox that says something like AutoSave files stored in the cloud, or similar. If you find that Excel is always pushing you to save to OneDrive, this is often why. You can uncheck that box if you want. Excel to stop automatically preferring cloud locations. This doesn't turn off saving. It just changes the default behavior. Next, look for Save to Computer by default, or Save to this PC by default. Make sure that option is turned on. When this is checked, Excel will prioritize your local computer as the default save location instead of OneDrive. This makes saving a lot quicker if you usually keep files on your desktop, Documents folder, or a shared drive on your network. Now, just below that, you should see a field labeled Default Local File Location. This is where you can set the folder Excel will automatically suggest when you hit Save. Click into that box and either type the full path to the folder you want, or use the Browse button if it's available to navigate to your preferred folder. Many people pick their Documents folder or a specific Excel Files folder to keep things organized. Once you're happy with your choices, click OK at the bottom of the Excel Options window to save your changes. From now on, when you go to save a new workbook, Excel will default to your computer and use the folder you selected, instead of pushing you to save on OneDrive.